Welcome back to Overheat. In the realm of recreational vehicles or Vs, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX represents the ultimate in luxury. It is made for people who desire the utmost in elegance and comfort when they travel. The features provided are described in detail below. Important attributes: uncompromising luxury. Every component, from the premium materials to the cutting-edge technologies, is made to offer the utmost in comfort and practicality. Owners can customize the area to suit their needs thanks to the roomy interior and adaptable layout. Advanced technology, real-time car diagnostics, navigation, and entertainment are all available in the fully digital cockpit. Smartphone integration is made easy by the infotainment system's compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A cinematic sound experience is offered by the top-tier surround sound system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automated emergency braking, and a 360 video system are examples of advanced safety technologies. Comfort and usability: a luxurious memory foam mattress on a king-size bed for a comfortable night's sleep. A smart toilet with auto-clean capabilities, designer fixtures, and a rain shower are all features of the in-suite bathroom. Visitors are able to customize the temperature in various regions thanks to a multi-zone climate control system. With the help of a touchscreen panel or smartphone app, smart home technology integrates everything from entertainment and climate control to lighting and security. External features and extras, and LED-lit awning that may be extended. A built-in outdoor kitchen with a sink and grill, as well as an external entertainment system. A large back garage big enough to fit a fancy sports vehicle, motorcycle, or outdoor gear. Setting up at the campsite is made simple with a hydraulic leveling mechanism. Sustainable energy use is facilitated by solar panels. Easy cleaning is made possible via a central vacuum system.